Hey guys! I bought a sketchbook which was really plain, so I thought I would design the cover of the book. I saw an art journal on Instagram. It was an art journal of an author, Noor Undahar. So I really liked how it looked. So I thought I would do that onto my book. I really didn't want to blindly copy it, so I made some changes of my own and I finally designed it. So if you want to know how I did it, then please keep on watching. This is the book that I'm going to DIY. I took the small brown paper from an old paper bag and then I tore it into two pieces. And then I took a newspaper and I cut out a small square from it. I arranged it and then I cut off the excess. Now for the top left part, I took a chart paper and then I cut out a square out of it. Then I arranged it to see if it fits. After that, I took out a white crayon and started drawing small triangles on it to create a pattern. You can even use white oil pastel. Now I'm going to paint blue on top of the square piece. As you can see, as we paint, the white triangle starts to appear, making a pattern. Now keep this aside for it to dry. Meanwhile, we'll take another piece of chart paper and start drawing small rectangles of blue paint so that you can make this into a shade card. Then I arranged everything to see if it looks good. This looked a little bit plain, so I added another sheet of paper. Then I tore out another white paper to hide the hard side of the bronze sheet that I just added. Now we'll stick everything together. I made two shade cards and I'll stick that onto this. And you're done. I really liked how this turned out. I hope you guys liked what you saw. If you do, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.